He's Apollo.
Our first safari ride.
Are you our person to
12,000 hectares to explore at Mabula Lodge.
All right, so you can drive that. I want to drive this Jeep. Yeah, you can drive it.
We arrived at Mabula Lodge late in the morning, and after a very sumptuous lunch, we were whisked away for our first safari adventure. Our goal is to see the Big Five. Apollo will be our guide during this safari adventure here in Mabula. The Big Five refers to the five iconic African animals that were historically considered the most difficult to hunt on foot. Watch till the end to find out if we were able to see the Big Five here in Mabula. If you're new to this channel, I'm Janet and I make videos as a hobby for my retirement, and of course I'd like to be able to watch this video one day that I cannot travel anymore. So the video might be rough, might not be cinematographic, but hey, that's me. I enjoy doing this. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and give me a thumbs up. And leave a comment where you're watching this video from. I would appreciate it. Not very long from the start of the safari, we just saw the first Big Five.
It's not the size. Because if you talk about the size, do you know the Big Five?
He's explaining what the
Can
Big
we
Five
know?
means.
Do we know the Big Five?
Yeah.
What, this to go.
Elephant,
Wait.
No, not water buffalo.
Not water buffalo. Let's go for elephants,
elephant,
rhinos,
rhinos,
buffalo, Cape buffalo.
Cape buffalo,
Cape buffalo. Then you've got a leopard.
leopard,
Yeah. What was another one?
lion.
Lions. You see. So if you take in terms of size, lions, the biggest lion that can get, the big bull, it can go up to 280 kilograms. These zebras can weigh up to 300 kilograms. So why is zebra not in the Big Five? Giraffe is 1,200 to 1,500 kilograms. Why is it not part of Big Five?
Right.
So which means the Big Five, it does not mean the size. It's how dangerous. The most dangerous animals when they're being hunted.
Oh,
These ones. So that's why they put African buffalo, Cape buffalo, not water buffaloes.
Okay.
These ones, if you wound them, they'll run, come around for you. And charge. And there was a tourist, not a hunter, was killed 2 months ago, this side. But the buffalo, these ones.
Because they look like
These ones are most aggressive
a bull.
and most unpredictable animal. On a Big Five,
oh yeah.
this is the most
Running of the
unpredictable
bulls,
animal.
means.
The rest of the animals on Big Five, they will give you clear warnings that they're not happy with you. What these guys, they will lift their heads up, pick up the smell,
right?
then they will charge straight at you. And they may stampede. They will just come all together if they say danger. Especially like when they say lions. They all come. They coordinate very well. When you're a nightmare, when you're going on a walk, is to meet these guys.
Oh my God.
They don't, even those guys, like those guys who were walking yesterday, remember we saw those guys? They don't walk like rhinos, these buffaloes. They may walk rhinos. White rhino. Black rhino, they can't.
Yeah.
Black rhino is aggressive as these ones, as dangerous as these ones.
No.
Yeah. So this one, so that's also the other differences from from water buffalo and the Cape buffaloes. These, on a Big Five, when they include buffaloes, they mean these ones.
Okay.
Not
Very
those
good.
ones.
Thank you for letting me
So people, you see that they make cheese, or what? They make cheese out of buffalo.
You can.
They make
Yeah,
cheese.
yeah.
Yes, from water buffalo, not from
Oh,
these ones.
this one will kill you. If you
Yeah,
try to-
that's what.
Yeah, milk one of them.
You'll be the mince meat.
These one, they are these one. These
You
bones.
got a point there.
I've heard
Yeah.
that hippos actually have the highest
Yes. Now.
fatality of humans.
Yes,
right?
they're quite right. Hippos, they weigh more than 2,000 kilograms, but they're not part of the Big Five. Though they have killed lots of people compared to any other big animal in Africa. You know why? Because hippos, when they are hunting them, the hunters, they go during the day hunting during the day. When they go out during the day, hippos are inside the water. So they were killing hippos inside the water. So they were not too dangerous as these ones.
for them.
Yeah, they were safe.
Oh my God. He saw us. He saw us.
There's two of them.
For it's also to come and take photos. Yeah, because that's my one.
No, those are cheetahs or
Cheetahs. Okay. Cheetahs, yeah. So these are two male cheetahs, yeah. Yeah.
Tight spots of
I
cheetahs.
got the butt view again.
Hippos spend most of the times during the day inside the water, especially in hot summers like now. It's very rare to see hippos outside the water during the day on hot summers like now. The problem is that the hippo's skin is very sensitive to the sun. So when they come out on hot sun, then it dries up quickly and it cracks and they bleed. That's why they don't stay outside the water. Winter is the best time to see hippos outside the water during the day because it's cool at that time.
Wow, look at that.
Yep.
Why you always have to show their asses?
Yeah, no.
Turn around.
They're trying to tell you something.
Wild dogs. These are wild dogs, not hyenas.
Oh, they not?
These are Mr. Jackal. Hey, hey,
Oh, look right there.
Jackal.
Come on. Oh, wow, that's so graceful. Oh, hello. Oh,
Which comprises of females with young ones. There will be one dominant male.
look at all this.
Yes,
Oh
one
my
dominant
God.
male. Nowadays, with the horns, you see with lots of men here, big men here.
Comes first. Yeah.
We got a cocktail going on here.
My daughter is busy here and beautifying the thing and making it all.
beer in there.
Beer.
Okay, who would like a beer here? Please come.
Beer, honey. Beer.
I'd like to say thank you to our hosts here. Excuse me. Excuse me, Mr. Deborah. Little Katu, Mr. Apollo, and Mr. Lucky. Thank you guys for hosting us. Thank you so much for taking care of us these days. We really appreciate. And to this beautiful family of mine, Kate One would like to say happy sunset in Africa.
It is so beautiful. So, I'm with Gate 1. Another surprise from Gate 1.
Who
We got free cocktails. Everybody's happy. I guess Gate 1 doesn't disappoint. Look, NK is happy.
Our morning visitors.
Yeah. Found this guy outside of our room this morning. Hey. Hey. You're friendly. I think it's a Nala, huh? It's a Nala. Hello. You must be being fed. That's why you're so friendly. Good morning. Look, we got visitor. Look how close I am, man. 2 feet away. He's friendly. Good morning. Our last safari run. Mabula. So it's 5:30 and here we go again. Alright, we're trying to find our little... We must be here because our... Yep, there it is. Because our truck is high up. Sunrise. Wow, so pretty.
Be nice to have that lake in there.
Yeah, see, that's how close we are. Here he comes.
Is there one way out there? See it way out there? There's a couple way out there. Oh, yeah. See it way out there? Yeah.
Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. It's actually our last safari here in Mabula, and we're leaving today at 10. And we are here in a private area where we're gonna have a little coffee, I guess, picnic, he said. And this is the big dam they have. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So beautiful. And they have, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I found this place is very progressive. They even have flush toilets and none of that, you know, like porta potty that we have in the US. Believe me, it's very progressive. Oh, look, they have a little fireplace for a braai. You know what braai is, right? In South Africa, braai is basically barbecue. That's what they call it. This is really nice, this place. I would highly recommend coming here. Either through Gate 1 or I think they have private booking, they said. And they will arrange transportation and all of that. And apparently when you book it, the safari is inclusive. So don't know how much it costs, but it's worth it.
If you take this big one, and I'll take a half of ours. Okay. You have an empty cup, right?
Polo's making our coffee. We were at Mabula for 2 nights and completed 4 game drive. And it usually starts early in the morning, like around 5:30. And then end, you know, early, like about 8, 9 o'clock. And then go get breakfast. And then rest, do whatever. I did have a massage there. And then we start off again after lunch around maybe 4 o'clock for the afternoon game drive. Yeah, overall it's enjoyable, and we saw 4 of the big 5s except for the leopard. So I'm hoping to see it at Chobe National Park as we continue our adventure. Until next time, guys. Bye.